This is my Nook HD Plus 9-inch tablet, and here's the charging cable. It uses a proprietary end, so when I bought this tablet I thought I was getting a great deal, but these proprietary power USB connections, actually they don't sell it anywhere. I mean, you can't get a generic one, so you have to buy the Barnes & Noble one. This set here costs $25, or the charging cable itself is $15. So it can get pretty expensive. Right now Fry's is selling the set for $20. Sometimes Nook will sell the set for $15. Hopefully someone makes a generic cable, or if someone knows of where to get this generic stuff, I'd like to know.